This is the HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the network. We highly insist that you use the Wi-Fi connection for this one. Then launch the app gallery. In here, tap the Opera at the search bar. Then once the needed app is found, which is this one, click on the install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the app, as well opening the Opera for the first time. It is also required that we undergo a very simple setup procedure, so in here tap on the blue continue button once it appears. Then choose whether you would like to enable the ad blocker function. I'll do that. The same goes for the tracker blocking. And as far as it goes for the Opera as the default browser, I'll just skip this step. Finally, on this page you can customize the permissions and accesses that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.